Hello dear students, today we are having one OMR sheet format. As you all know that we are having the term 1 examination that is based on objective questions, and for that CBSE will provide OMR sheet. So before term 1 board examination, we are introducing one home board examination in our school. So for that we have prepared a similar type of OMR sheet that you have to be filled in term 1 board examination. This is an idea how to fill OMR sheet. So in this video we are going to just understand how we will fulfill an OMR sheet whenever we will be having term 1 examination. So here let's start. Here you can see we have written the name of the school as well as center code. It is written that is 70955 and term 1 examination 2021 and 22. Now here is the format of the OMR sheet. In this we are having roll number. S code stands for subject code. Whatever is your subject code like Hindi, English, Maths and जो भी आपका subject code होगा that you have to be mentioned here. Then you have to write your name, class, section, day, test date, the date of the test. Then here we are having candidate signature. That is candidate signature, that means you have to write or you can sign as per the signature you have made in the registration. Okay, then we are having invigilator signature. The invigilator who is doing duty in your class, they will sign. Now we are having some instructions. In the OMR sheet for you all. I'm going to read one by one. So first instruction that we have to understand, this sheet should not be folded or crushed. This OMR sheet you don't have to fold or crushed. Second, use only blue and black. Just read this carefully. You have to use only blue and black ballpoint pen only. Ballpoint pen to fill the circles. Whatever the circles you are having in the OMR sheet, you have to fulfill with only blue or black ball pen point. Don't use any kind of pencil and gel pens. Third, use of pencil is strictly prohibited. Fourth, circles should be darkened completely and properly. Here we are having two types of method that we are using in the OMR sheet. The correct method to fulfill the circles like this, here you can see the circle is completely and properly filled, and the wrong methods that students are using nowadays like cross, small dot, zigzag lines, check, these are the wrong method. If you are using these methods to fulfill your circles, then that will be marked wrong. Okay, so you have to just careful, you have to use the correct method only. Then cutting and erasing on this sheet is not allowed. You don't have to cut or erase on this OMR sheet. Sixth, do not use any stray mark on the sheet. You don't have to mark anything on the OMR sheet. Seventh, do not use marker or white fluid to hide the mark. If something is wrong, then you don't allow any kind of fluid, whitener or any kind of marker. You are not able to use these things in the OMR sheet. So be careful while fulfilling your circles or OMR sheet. Let's understand how to fill ovules, that is circles, all the roll numbers in the OMR sheet. Suppose I am having the roll number I have got from the school or from the board exam 7. This is my roll number that I am going to fill. 0, 9, 5, 5, 1, 2, 0, 0, then 5. This is my roll number that I have got from the board. So similarly you have to write your roll number like this. Then you have to fill these circles according to your roll number. This is 7, you have to search 7 in the first row, then you have to fill this 7, then 0 in the second line, then 9 you have to search, then you have to fill. I'm going to show you how you have to fill. Suppose we have to fill the circle, so for that I am having the point here in this 7. In the first row we are having 7, so I have to fill like this. Okay, then we are having 0 in the second, so 0 you have to fill. This is the correct method. Then we are having 9, so you have to search 9 in this row and place a 0 or then 9. After that we are having 5, just fill 5. Then again we are having 5, fill 5. Then 1, after that 2, then 0, then again 0, then 5. This is the way to write your roll number, and this is the way to fill your circles. Okay, I'm again just filling the last digit, that is 5 here. Then we are having subject code, that is S code. Here you can see S code. S code refers to subject code. Whatever is your subject, suppose you are having the mathematics and the subject code of mathematics is 041, so you have to write 0, okay, then 4, and then finally 1. After writing, you have to fill the circles that you can see here, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this. So first circle we have to fill, that is 0, so I am just filling 0. Then we are having 4, after that we are having 1. Okay, here you can fill the circle, and we have finished subject code. For fulfilling the subject code, we have filled all the circles except 1. Now I have filled 1 also. Clear? So we have finished roll number and subject code. You have to fill the circles very carefully. Now let's write our row name and all. Here you can write your name. Suppose your name is Ravi Kumar Verma. It should be in capital letter. Then class, suppose you are in class 12th and your section is maths, or you can say science. Okay, the day of the test, suppose today is Monday, so write Monday. Test date, that is 25th. Then we are having 10, then 2021. This is the way to write your name, class, section, day and test date. After that you can see candidate signature. In this you have to sign like that, that you have already filled in your registration signature. Okay, just like that you have to sign, like Ravi Kumar Verma, Ravi, I am writing here. You have to use blue or black, so just hold on, I'm just taking my blue or black pen for writing the things. Okay, I have signing like this, Ravi, and who is your invigilator, they will sign here. जो भी आपके यहाँ पे invigilator होगा, they, he or she will sign. Now come back to the OMR sheet. Now you will be having the format. You can see the format of the questions. We are having number of questions, that is 60. Sometimes you are having only 50 questions, 40 questions according to the board examination. You have to fill only those questions that you are going to attempt. Okay, Now let's understand how we have to fill the answers in the OMR sheet, that we are having lots of questions and we are having four options in the question paper, that is A, B, C and D. In each question we are having A, B, C and D, four options we will get. So in that only one option we have to choose that will be correct, A, B, C or D. In four options we are having only one correct option, only one correct answer. Then you have to fill only one correct answer. Don't fill two, don't fill three, don't fill all four. You have to fill only one circle. Okay, suppose we are having the correct answer of question number 1, that is A. So we are going to fill A like this. Okay, suppose we are having the answer number 2 and the correct option of 2 is D, so fill like this. Suppose question number 3 the answer is 1. Suppose in question number 4 also answer number 1, that is A part. In question number 5 suppose we are having correct option is B, then in question number 6 correct option is A. So just like this you will fill your answers, you will fill the circles according to your answer. Okay, now suppose some question paper is having some sections, section A, section B, sections. So whenever you will be having section wise questions, I'm going to give you an example. Suppose we are having section A, and in section A we are having questions from 1 to question number 11. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to attempt only 10 questions in section A, but you are having 11 question in section A. Okay, then what you have to do in this question, in this section you have to fill only 10 questions, either 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 or any 10 questions you have to attempt. If you are leaving any question, you don't want to attempt the question, suppose I don't know about the question number 8, I just want to leave this question number 8, and in spite of question number 8 I want to fill question number 11, so I will just fill like this. See, question number 7, suppose C is the correct answer, I have filled C. Question number 8 I don't want to fill, I just leave it blank. Then question number 9 A option, question number 10 C option. Then again next is, suppose I am having question okay, then we are having again one of the I'm going to fill, that is question number 11. So I have filled all, I have attempted all 10 questions and I have filled 10 circles in section A. I left question number 8. Okay, similarly you will be having section B, C, D. Okay, so you have to just read the question paper carefully, that how many questions you have to attempt in each section. So you have to correct the circle in a right place, otherwise your answer will striking out, that means your answer will be wrong if you will place any two options. Suppose sometimes what you are doing, आप लोग क्या करते हैं, you are placing two options. Okay, so this is wrong. Don't place two options, three options, only you have to choose one option, otherwise your answer will be wrong. I hope you have understand all the concepts that I have mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching the video.